Tri-Cities, Julie here with Coldwell Baker, just in case you can't tell by that ginormous sign back there. Just wanted to invite you to this weekend's open houses. It's supposed to be beautiful weather. We've got some great homes on display, and we hope you can make it out, work on that vitamin D intake, and we hope to see you there. Have a great weekend. Just a regular invitation. The whole regular, like, hey, Tri-Cities. Do I have to introduce myself? Literally, I'll be like, hey, this is Julie with Coldwell Baker. Just in case you don't recognize me with the new hair. Be like, just in case you didn't notice that huge sign. How's the lighting? Is it fabulous? Okay. How much of my body can you see?
Right.
Okay. Just kidding. Okay. This weekend's open house houses, more than one, two, okay. Take two was on display. So come and check them out. Peace out.